So, Brian, what are the top megatrends the Food Institute is finding in food and beverage?
Sure. So I'll touch upon this very quickly and I'll focus a little bit on the health and wellness side. So number one, inflation is front and center. Even though we've seen headline inflation come down over the past 2 to 3 years, it's still front and center for consumers, right? So consumers' wallets are stretched. What they're buying, how they're buying is impacting the way they eat on a day-to-day basis. Sustainability, environmental sustainability, kind of ESG is a key theme that we're seeing in a lot of companies, but also consumers as well. And personalization, I would even call it hyper personalization. Consumers want to eat on their own terms, at the right price, in their own way. And we're going to touch upon this theme also later in this presentation. Food tech, and this encompasses both automation, AI, and I would even say biotech as well. So where there's a lot of new technologies out there that are formulating new types of food and beverage products that really help health and wellness. And that's not number five, right? So health and wellness is a key topic. And I just wanted to highlight three areas that consumers are focused right now. So one is immunity, especially as we come off COVID. Immunity and being able to protect oneself from different types of sicknesses, and doing it naturally is a key focus. Number two, not surprisingly, is weight loss, right? So consumers are looking for low sugar, zero sugar options. And it's also interesting to see the GLP-1 types of products out there as well, also being very popular amongst consumers. And three, which is the focus of today, is really on energy need states, right? Consumers are looking for energy. Their day-to-day patterns have been shifted quite significantly since pre-COVID to now. And so different need states of energy is front and center for a lot of consumers.